Good morning, students of class 9B. In the period of mathematics, we are solving chapter 6, indices, exercise 6. Today we are going to solve question number 7e. Question number 7e, a to the power 1 by 3 plus a to the power minus 1 by 3 into a to the power 2 by 3 minus 1 plus a to the power minus 2 by 3. So this expression is in the form of a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. And we know this formula, a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square equal to a cube plus b cube. Here at the place of a, we have a to the power 1 by 3, and at the place of b, we have a to the power minus 1 by 3. Here a will be written a to the power 1 by 3 plus a to the power minus 1 by 3. This a to the power 2 by 3 will be written as a to the power 1 by 3 whole square minus ab, this is the place of ab. So a is a to the power 1 by 3 into b is a to the power minus 1 by 3. Now what is happening here? The bases are same but the powers are different, and both are in the form of multiplication. So the powers will be added with the same base, a to the power 1 by 3 plus minus 1 by 3. Here you see the rough calculation. This expression I am doing here, a to the power 1 by 3 into a to the power minus 1 by 3 equal to a to the power 1 by 3 plus minus 1 by 3. So in the next step, a to the power 1 by 3 plus minus minus 1 by 3. So it is being a to the power 0, that is equal to 1. So from here we are getting back 1. Since minus is there, so here also since minus is there, so here minus is coming. And now this a to the power minus 2 by 3 is written as a to the power minus 1 by 3 whole square. Now you are saying this is the expression in the form of a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square, that is equal to a cube plus b cube. A is a to the power 1 by 3 cube, so here I have given whole cube, and b is a to the power 1 minus 1 by 3, here is cube, so I have given whole cube. Now these two are multiplied, a to the power 1 by 3 into 3 plus a to the power minus 1 by 3 into 3. So this 3 cancelled, a to the power 1, and here a to the power minus 1. A to the power 1 is not written. Now I have changed this negative index in the positive index, so it became a plus 1 by a. This is the answer of this given expression. Next question is 7g. The question is a to the power m whole power m to the power minus 1 by m, a to the power m whole power m minus 1 by m whole power 1 by m plus 1. In the next step, I have simplified these two powers, m and m minus 1 by m. So these two will be multiplied. For that, I have written here a to the power m into m minus 1 by m whole power 1 by m plus 1. In the next step, these two will be multiplied, m into m, that is equal to m square, plus minus minus, I wrote here, m into 1 by m, so m cancelled, 1 is left, I wrote here 1, and whole power 1 by m plus 1. Now this is in the form of a square minus b square. So we can write a plus b into a minus b. For that, a to the power m minus 1 into m plus 1. This is a minus b into a plus b. For this I have written for this. And whole power is 1 by m plus 1. So now these two powers, m minus 1 into m plus 1 and 1 by m plus 1 will be multiplied. I have multiplied here. For that, I have written a to the power m minus 1 into m plus 1 into 1 by m plus 1. So m plus 1 cancelled, m minus 1 is left. I wrote here a to the power m minus 1. That is the answer of this expression. Next question is 81 to the power 3 by 4 minus 1 by 32 to the power minus 2 by 5 plus 8 to the power 1 by 3 into this dot, the meaning of dot is into into 1 by 2 to the power minus 1 into 2 to the power 0. So this 81 I have changed as the base of 3. I have changed this into the base of 3. 3 to the power 4 means if you multiply 3 4 times we will get 81 and whole power 3 by 4 minus this 32 I have changed into the base of 2. 2 to the power 5 means if you multiply 2 5 times we will get back 32 whole power minus 2 by 5 plus this 8 I have changed into the base 2. 2 cube means if you multiply 2 3 times we will get 8 and whole power 1 by 3 into 1 by 2 to the power minus 1 into 2 to the power 0 that is equal to 1. Means if power will be 0 upon any number that will be equal to 1. Now these two powers are multiplied. 3 to the power 4 into 3 by 4 minus I have changed this negative index in the positive index. For that I have to write the reciprocal of this 1 by 2 to the power 5. So 2 to the power 5 will go up as we write the reciprocal. So it became 2 to the power 5 into 2 by 5 plus these two powers will be multiplied. So I wrote 2 to the power 3 into 1 by 3 into this negative index is changed to positive index, writing the reciprocal of 1 by 2. So 2 will go up and this one is written here. So in this step I have multiplied the powers and I have changed the negative index into positive index. Now after cancelling this 4 4 will be cancelled, 3 cube is left. I wrote here 3 cube. This 5 5 will be cancelled. So 2 square is left. I wrote here minus 2 square plus 2 to the power 1 power is not written and into 2 this 2. So this simplification became 3 cube means 27 minus 2 square means 4 plus 2 into 2 4. So minus 4 plus 4 cancelled, only 27 is left. That is the answer of this given expression. Simplify the following. 8a 5 to the power x into 7 minus 5 to the power x by 5 to the power x plus 2 minus 5 to the power x plus 1. So from the numerator we can take 5 to the power x common. Here 7 is left and here 1 is left. So 7 minus 1 I kept inside the bracket. By I have separated this. Here is x plus 2. So we can write 5 to the power x into 5 square. Because if we solve this again we will get back 5 to the power x plus 2. How can we get back? 5 is common base and powers are different. Both are in the form of multiplication. So with that common base powers will be added means 5 to the power x plus 2. Now this minus came here. Again I separated these two. 5 to the power x into 5. Because the base is same, base is common but the powers are different. And if you simplify it we will get back because 5 with the common base the powers will be added 5 to the power x plus 1 we are getting back. Now 5 to the power x 7 minus 1 into 6. This 5 to the power x and 5 to the power x. So 5 to the power x we can take common. Here 5 square is left. Here minus 5 is left. Now 5 to the power x and 5 to the power x cancelled. Here 6 is left. 6 by 5 square minus 5. 5 square means 25 minus 5. Here I wrote it became 6 by 25. The simplest form will be 3 by 10. So the solution of this expression is equal to 3 by 10. Our next question, question number 8c. 2 to the power m into 3 minus 2 to the power m by 2 to the power m plus 4 minus 2 to the power m plus 1. So from this numerator, here is 2 to the power m, here is also 2 to the power m. So I have taken 2 to the power m common. What is left? I wrote inside the bracket. Here 3 is left, minus, and here 1 is left. By this I have separated 2 to the power m into 2 to the power 4 because the common base is there and the powers are different. Both are in the form of multiplication. So with this common base the powers will be added and we are getting back this much. Similarly, minus is written here and this is also separated. 2 to the power m into 2. If you will solve it, we will get back 2 to the power m plus 1. So from this, here is 2 to the power m, here is also 2 to the power m. So I have taken 2 to the power m common, and what is left? Here 2 to the power 4 is left, minus, and here only 2 is left. I wrote inside the bracket. So this 2 to the power m and 2 to the power m cancelled. What is left? 2 by 2 to the power 4 means 16 minus 2. So it became 2 by say 14, and the simplest form of 2 by 14 became equal to 1 by 7. So the answer of this given expression became 1 by 7.